Welcome to STEM Career for You. Let's take a quick look at how simple it is to get started. Once you log in, you'll arrive at your dashboard, your personal learning hub with helpful tools like the user guide to get you started. To begin, click Start Learning to go to the home page. On the home page, you'll find useful tools like Notes, where you can record what you've learned, and History, which lets you jump back to your last activity instantly. At the top, you'll find STEM videos from the Ministry of Education, all in Bahasa, Malaysia. Just below that, you'll see the English language categories, arranged by school level: preschool, primary, and secondary. Each includes familiar subjects like science, technology, engineering and mathematics, art, and English. And at the secondary level, you'll also find subjects such as accounting, economics, and engineering to help students start thinking about their future paths. And remember, if you ever feel stuck, have a question, or just want to explore a topic further, you can always turn to Flexi AI Tutor, your ready and reliable AI companion that's always there to help you learn, anytime, anywhere. Under each level, subjects are displayed as easy to navigate tiles. Click on Science to explore trusted global resources, from NASA's interactive lessons to ebooks and videos that bring ideas to life. You'll also find educational games and activities found throughout the various subjects, designed to help make learning fun and hands-on, helping students understand complex ideas through play. Each subject features curated content from recognized education partners like BBC, Google, USGS, and Code.org. Beyond the main subjects, you also find dedicated sections for teachers, special needs education, financial literacy, and career exploration, each filled with resources that help students connect classroom learning to real-life skills. From understanding how money works to discovering new career paths, these sections encourage students to think beyond exams and start building the confidence and curiosity to shape their own futures. With guided, safe, and engaging content, STEM Career for You makes learning a true adventure. Whether you're exploring how asteroids move, learning to code, or creating art inspired by technology. From curiosity to career readiness, every click on STEM Career for You opens a door to discovery. STEM Career for You, empowering every child with the skills, confidence, and curiosity to succeed in tomorrow's world.